I feel indeed very, very happy to say a big word of welcome to our dearest Rector Major, Don Angel Fernandez Arteme, who is here for this visit, the visit of the Rector Major. The last visit that we had of a Rector Major was in the year 2007, when the previous Rector Major, he was Mexican, he was with us, Don Pascual Chavez. And therefore, after 2007, now in 2019, we have the next visit of the Rector Major with us. As I said, we are very, very happy to have the Rector Major with us because he is the successor of Don Bosco. He is the 10th successor of Don Bosco, the first Spaniard to be a successor of Don Bosco, a Rector Major, and the third non-Italian. What is significant is that in as much as the Rector Major is for us a representative of the person of Don Bosco, it is like the person of Don Bosco himself, this great educator priest who is visiting his sons, who is visiting his children. The Rector Major has made it known to us that already in the last 5 years, he has visited as many as 87 different countries. So there are different number of provinces in each of the countries. He has already completed 87 countries. And the Salesians of Don Bosco are working in more than 130 countries. So I really appreciate the way the Rector Major is going about wanting to visit all of the Salesian presences all over the world. And we appreciate this deeply. So as I say a big word of welcome to our Rector Major, I would like to inform you that he was born on the 21st of August 1960 in Spain and was elected Rector Major on the 24th of May 2014. With his election, as I said, he became the 10th successor of Don Bosco and the first Spaniard and third non-Italian to become Rector Major in Salesian history.
La finalità della mia visita è quella di incoraggiare tutte le presenze salesiane lì dove mi trovo. È una visita che cerca di animare i miei confratelli salesiani e lì.
My prime purpose of going to all the Salesian houses is basically to encourage the Salesians working there, and I want to find them in the places of their work. So I want to go there and really encourage them with the work that they do.
Cerco che ha una buona motivazione nella vita, ha anche qualche ideale, qualche sogno, non è facile che possa dopo essere vittima di tutto questo.
A youngster who has got a huge dream to do something great in life will not surely end up becoming a victim of drugs.
Vuol dire dare solidità alle persone è un modo anche di farle più forte frente a altre minacce.
What really happens is when they become more convinced and work very strongly, they can confront the issues and come to their own lives.